our Indian culture, sugar has always been considered to be an auspicious and food item of celebration. जैसे हमेशा ये कहा जाता है कि किसी भी शुभ काम की शुरुआत अगर मीठे से की जाए तो वो काम बहुत अच्छा होता है. But the kind of sugar we are getting these days, first of all, is refined and in very large quantities. Whether people know about it or not, do we actually care how much amount of sugar we are taking these days in our everyday life? Today I've got a bottle of soft drink for you. I want you to put the number of teaspoons you think in this bottle of soft drink into this little bowl. Okay? Yeah, you ready? Four teaspoons of sugar. Sure. Okay. Okay, I will tell you that how many teaspoons of sugar in this. "13 teaspoons of sugar you are drinking in."
When it comes to sugar, what's the difference between eating oranges and drinking orange juice?
Harshita and Surbhi, in front of you. Harshita, you have 12 oranges, and Surbhi, तुम्हारे पास 12 संतरों का 1 लीटर जूस है. So guys, what you have to do? हर्षिता, तुम इसको एक बार में जितना नॉर्मली कंज्यूम कर सकती हो उतना करो, और सुरभि तुम इसको नॉर्मली जितना पी सकती हो उतना पियो. It's not a race, guys. Eat it and drink it until you had it.
So Harshita, you had 1 orange, while Surbhi, you had 2 glasses of juice.
Oh, what does it mean?
It means Surbhi, you just had 18 tablespoons of sugar, while Harshita, you managed to have almost 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. But Harshita, तुम्हारा पेट जल्दी इसलिए भर गया because oranges are full of fibers, while there are no fibers in this juice.
So as being a dentist, we already knew what we had just talked about. But what about normal people? As being normal people, we rarely go through these things, these facts, just because until and unless जब तक हम किसी चीज़ के manifestations को face नहीं कर लेते, तब तक शायद उसके बारे में हम जानना भी ज़रूरी नहीं समझते. Because in India, we hear people believe lesser in prevention and more in cure. And like the patient we are having here is suffering from uncontrolled diabetes. So let's see the oral manifestation.
Like tooth decay, periodontal diseases, bleeding gums, recession of gums, halitosis, swollen gums, salivary gland dysfunction, etc. While 1 in 5 cases of total tooth loss is linked to diabetes.
अरे अभी से तुम्हारे दांतों में इतने कीड़े कैसे लग गए हैं?
बचपन में चॉकलेट बहुत सी खाते थे, खा के चॉकलेट सो जाते थे.
तो फिर रात में तुम सोते वक्त कुल्ला नहीं करते थे?
नहीं, कुल्ला नहीं करते थे, किसी ने बताया नहीं.
So guys, you must not be aware about how much amount of sugar is safe to eat per day. So according to American Heart Association, the safe amount of sugar to be consumed by males, it is 150 calories per day, which is 37.5 grams or 9 tablespoons of sugar, and for females it is 100 calories per day, which is 25 grams or 6 tablespoons of sugar. So if you are an sugar addict, you should avoid it completely, because sugar stimulates the same areas in the brain as the drugs do. Sugar causes people to lose their control over their consumption, and as a smoker needs to avoid cigarette, a sugar addict needs to avoid sugar completely.
In a modern era of luxurious lifestyle and physical inactivity, using sugar seems to be a crime. It works like a sweet poison in India, as we are more prone to metabolic disorders like diabetes. In the last 15 years, we have already increased more than 20 millions in the diabetic population in India. And Indians are already using carbohydrate predominantly rich food. Our food is already having more than 65% carbohydrate, which is recommended. So further increasing it with the carbohydrate in the form of the sugar is not really desirable, and it is just not only useless but harmful also to take calories in the form of the sugar.